Hey guys, dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I hope you stick around. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is Parkinson's syndrome, and it's defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's disease. And that was part of the reason why I started the channel. Is makeup is for everybody, every skin tone, every gender, every income level, every ability, and every disability. So I wanted to create a really fun, positive, safe place where everybody can talk about all things makeup. So today I have a request. One of the members requested that I review the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. So I picked this up at Ulta. It retails for $29. Comes in 26 shades. And it is supposed to be moisturizing for all skin types. Lightweight, full coverage with a natural matte finish. So I am going to give this a workout today. It's also supposed to be sweat resistant. And as you can see, I haven't done my hair yet for the day. And I am going to give this puppy a workout. Working with hot tools on my hair, cleaning the house, just, you know, general things that would make me sweat. So let's try this out today. I did already moisturize. I did put some It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye in the little pot underneath my eyes. This is supposed to have concealer, you know, be thick enough to be also a concealer. But as most of you guys know, I have chronic insomnia. So yeah, I want to give it as good a chance as possible. I'm going to prime with the Too Faced Primed and Peachy. This is oil control and pore filling. I really like this primer. If you guys haven't tried it, it's really good. So let's put this on. Since this is a moisturizing foundation, I really want to give it a good shot, and I do have combination skin, and so I do want the oil control in my T-zone especially. Otherwise it could be a little too moisturizing, and my oily skin will make it come off. So here we go. And I have my damp beauty sponge from Real Techniques, which is dirty. Sorry. Let's put this on. So it comes with a big doe foot applicator. So we're just going to take that and put it directly on the skin. I have heard very good things about this foundation. It's not new. It's been out for a while. It is just requested by a member. I'm sorry it took me so long to get this done for you. I ordered the wrong color. Ordered the wrong shade. So went to Ulta and they helped me get the right shade. Alright. I guess that looks okay. I don't know how I feel about the doe foot applicator for foundation. Honestly, I have another one that's like that. And yeah, I don't know how I like it. Okay, so the coverage does look pretty good so far, guys. Tell me, what do you guys have a favorite foundation that you always go back to? Do you have that one perfect foundation? I may have put too much on. Oops, that's okay. You know what, we'll blend it out. It's all good. We'll pounce it out. I have a couple foundations that I really love, but I am always open to new foundations. Okay, so I gotta say I like it so far. First application looks pretty good. I was color matched in the store, so hopefully it's not too light. Looks like it might be a little too light, but I can warm it up. That's not a big deal. And if it oxidizes, it'd actually be kind of perfect, so. Okay, I have pounced. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not going to put any more concealer underneath my eyes or, you know, on my forehead or anything like that. We're just going to keep it like this. I'm going to set it with the Clinique loose powder, which I already have and have had for quite a while. I do enjoy that loose powder. All right, so I'm going to let this set, finish up my makeup, finish up my hair, and I will check in with you guys in a little bit and see how it's holding up. See you in a bit. Hey guys, just checking back in. It's been about an hour and a half, 2 hours since I applied. It's still looking pretty good. I haven't given it, like, you know, I just decided to let my hair be today because it's had a lot of processing lately. It's still wet. So I didn't do any of the hot tools, but I have been running around doing stuff, and it's holding up pretty well. The only thing that I've noticed at the 2 hour mark is I am getting some settling into fine lines underneath my eyes. Not too bad. I just patted it out and it did just fine. But yeah, so far it's looking really good. I've got to say I'm pretty happy with it so far. So I'll check in here in a little bit, at least, you know, 1 or 2 more times, at least 1 more time, probably 2 before the end of the day, and we'll let you know what I think. All right, see you in a bit. All right, guys, I'm checking in about the 4 hour mark. Did some videos, been cleaning the house, and you know, it's holding up pretty well. One thing that I am noticing is I'm starting to get oil breakthrough around my nose. So, you know, normally it wouldn't be a big deal at all. I'm just not touching up because we're doing a wear test. But that would probably bother me a little bit, getting this kind of oil breakthrough. I'm not so sure how well you can see it, but yeah, it's starting to get a little bit of oil breakthrough. So I'll check in like 3 more hours to, you know, for the final check-in of the day. But so far I like the way it's wearing, you know, just a little separation under the eyes and getting the oil breakthrough around the nose. Other than that, still looking pretty fresh. So, all right, guys, see you in just a few minutes. All right, guys, it's been about 7.5 hours, and so I'm going to call it a day. Everything looks good. I do have some oiliness around my nose, my T-zone, and that's broken up a little bit of the foundation, like in the, you know, cracks around my nose. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I do have the settling and fine lines underneath my eyes and the separation, you know, around my T-zone, which if I wasn't doing a wear test, I would have just powdered down or, you know, taken an oil blotting sheet to it. So all in all, I really like it. I'm glad that I got the request to try it. I know it's been out for a while now, but, you know, I hadn't tried it yet. So, yeah, I say thumbs up. All right, guys, I am always open to requests. If there's anything you want me to try, let me know. More than happy to try it out for you. And that'll do it for this video. All right, guys, if you have not hit that subscribe button already, please subscribe. You know, whether you're new to makeup, you know, old hat, and let us pick your brain and give us your opinions. It doesn't matter. We just want the makeup community to be a really fun, awesome, safe place to talk about all things makeup. All right, I will talk to you down in the comments section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.